Hey guys, welcome back to Learning Time 101, and today I'm going to be showing you 10 facts about rainforests. So, first fact is, did you know that polar bears cannot adapt in rainforest since it is too hot? Their body was not made to adapt in places like this, especially if it is a tropical rainforest. There are two different types of rainforest: temperate and tropical. The difference between both of them is that tropicals has like a kind of like cold, like it's not cold and it's not warm, like humid basically, and then tropical has like really hot feeling, like it's hot basically. Next fact. So that was fact number 2 that I just said. Fact number 3. Surprisingly, the largest rainforest in Amazon, aka Amazonia, is located directly across Brazil. Did you know that the smallest rainforest is El Yunque rainforest? I think that's how you pronounce it. I've been pronouncing it like that. I'm just showing you all these slides. You guys are supposed to be surprised, but instead of surprising you, I'm showing you all these facts. This is fact number 5. Shocking fact: 20% of the Amazon has already been cut down to make houses. Now there are less animals in the wild. So, basically, cutting down the trees is affecting all the animals, and the animals actually do a really big job in our ecosystem. And if all these animals become extinct, it could be something in our it could be a big deal in our world. It could, because not all animals do a role. Next fact: rainforests do a huge, important role in the global climate. Rainforests give us oxygen. So if all the rainforests in the world were cut down, we wouldn't even be able to breathe. 6% of the Earth's surface is rainforest. Sorry about my brother shouting because he is playing with my sister. 6% of the rainforest is covered. That's like a fifth or something like that. So yeah. Bless you. Okay, my sister's joining into the video. Okay, the tree known as the idiot fruit grows in Australia's dainty forest. This is not the actual colour of the fruit. It's just that it has no colour. The picture actually has no colour. So I just added. It's cool. The Koroway people of New Guinea, I don't know how you pronounce it, live in tree houses 45 meters off the ground. Okay. A quarter of ingredients in modern day medicines come from rainforest plants. That's how important these rainforests are. They actually give us medicines. The end. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.